For reliable results in moisture analysis, you need accuracy, repeatability, and good balance software for record keeping. Accuracy is established by good calibration. Repeatability is established by good balance design and manufacturing practices. And with flexible connectivity options and output settings, you can count on the balance software for great record keeping. The Precisa line of moisture balances is the culmination of 40 years of Swiss development and manufacturing excellence in thermogravimetric instrumentation, exceeding user expectation in these three most important categories. Precisa offers two moisture balance series, the XM60 and the EM120. Before we show what separates these two balances from each other, let's first discuss the great features that come standard in both the XM and EM. The XM and the EM use a force restoration weighing system, the same respected Swiss technology you'd expect from an analytical balance. The Precisa balances are manufactured in Switzerland with a solid cast aluminum base that's built to last. Both the XM and the EM offer a choice of heating element, high-powered halogen lamps for performance and throughput, infrared for sensitive samples, or glass-free for HACCP requirements. The EM has a high resolution of 0.0001 grams, while the XM series can be ordered with resolutions of 0.001 or 0.0001. These balances are similar to each other in their specs, both offering a temperature range of 30 to 230 degrees Celsius, a capacity of 124 grams, and weight display in the following units. Now, let's discuss what sets the XM and the EM apart from each other. The XM navigates its menu using multi-purpose keys. The icon on the left corresponds to the menu or function it serves. The blue segment of the buttons are the keys to navigate the interface once you've chosen a menu. You can set up and save up to 20 heating methods on the balance. Once you have your method created, operation of the XM is simple. First, select the method you want to run. Place your pan on the tray and tare. Add your sample to the pan until you reach your desired weight. Close the balance and press Start. The indicator will display % moisture loss and the run time. Once the process completes, you will see your results displayed on the screen and the results will print out automatically. Remove your sample and you're ready to repeat the process as many times as necessary. The EM120 has a menu-driven graphic user interface. The interface is easy to use with its familiar scrolling navigation and drop-down menus, making method development easy. For even more efficient method entry, a USB keyboard can be plugged in with no special installation needed. The keyboard, printer, and a PC can be plugged in and function simultaneously. The EM is capable of storing up to 100 methods. Each of these methods can be pre-programmed onto a soft key so that you may select your method with one press. Multiple users can log in to the balance with a password. The users can have varying degrees of access so that only administrators can gain access to method and balance settings. The EM has 3 programmable heat steps for advanced methods that include dry weight processing or multi-component liquid, slurry, and gel material. Using heat steps, the balance will heat the sample at a user-specified temperature and time limit, then automatically proceed to heat the sample at a new user-defined temperature once the previous time limit has elapsed. When the process is finished, the results will appear on screen and can output to an optional RS-232 connected printer or your computer software. Additionally, for GLP compliance, the balance can output balance calibration history, temperature calibration history, balance settings, and method settings for record keeping. Let's view the two balances side by side. The EM and XM are similar in build and technology. What sets them apart are the amount of stored methods, the interface, programmable keys, the use of heat steps, and connectivity options. With the XM60 and the EM120, you can expect accurate and repeatable results with great balance software necessary for quick, efficient, and flexible moisture analysis. Consider Precisa for your next moisture application.